Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to learn competitive exam questions which will help you to crack any format of exams, jobs, interviews and preparations. So watch the whole video to learn these all important questions and comment me how many of the answers you got correct. Competitive exam questions part 1, and stay active, we are going to upload a full series of these questions. Question number 1. The Constitution of India was adopted on option C 26 November 1949. Question number 2. Who presides over the first meeting of the Indian Constitution Assembly? Option B Sachindananda Sinha. Question number 3. Who wrote International Politics? Option D Kenneth Waltz. Question number 4. ICBM is a product of new. Option C democracy. Question number 5. The Constituent Assembly of India started functioning from. Option B 9th December 1946. Question number 6. The Constitution of India was completed on. Option B 26th January 1950. Question number 7. Who started the Quiet India movement in the year 1942? Option D Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 8. Stability of the government is assured in. Option A parliamentary form of government. Question number 9. How many of the state legislative council are elected by the assembly? Option A 56 members. Question number 10. Posting voting is otherwise called. Option B proxy voting. Question number 11. The members of Lok Sabha hold the office for a term of. Option D 5 years. Question number 12. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected by. Option A members of Legislative Assembly. Question number 13. How many courts are there in India? It's a very important question. Option D 25 courts, and the courts are Supreme Court, District Court, High Court and Subordinate Court. Question number 14. Who was the first Indian President of United National General Assembly? Option D Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Question number 15. Who is the head of Indian Constitution? Option A President. Question number 16. Who was the first Indian Governor of India? Option B Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. And Sarojini Devi was the first Indian female governor of India. Question number 17. Who is the first president of Indian National Congress? Option A. Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. Question number 18. Who was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha? Option B. Ganesh Vasudev Mawalankar. Question number 19. Who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? Option A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 20. Who was the president of the Constituent Assembly? Option B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 21. When is Republic Day celebrated in India? Option A. 26th January. Question number 22. Who is the first India's president? Mostly asked in all formats of exams. Option A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 23. Which court has the largest jurisdiction in the terms of state? Option C. Guwahati High Court. Question number 24. Deferment of adult franchise for 15 years was advocated on Constituent Assembly by? Option B. Maulana Azad. Question number 25. Members of the Constituent Assembly are elected by? Option A. Elected by provincial assemblies. Question number 26. How many fundamental duties are in the Indian Constitution? Option B. 11 fundamental duties. Question number 27. The state to adopt the Panchayat Raj in India is? Option C. Rajasthan. Question number 28. How much time the Constitution Assembly took to frame the Constituent of India? Option C. 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. Question number 29. How many sessions of the Indian Constitution Assembly were conducted for the formation of the Indian Constitution? Option B. 11 sessions. Question number 30. Who appoints the Attorneys General of India? Option A. President. Thank you everyone. I hope you clearly understand these questions. So learn, practice and revise them and stay active. We are going to upload a full series of these questions. And if you found our efforts helpful, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Have a nice day and thank you so much for watching.